Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Ford Mustang 1998 to 2004? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment of the 1998 to 2004 Ford Mustang houses the seats, dashboard, controls, and comfort systems for driver and passengers. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment of the 1998 to 2001 Ford Mustang contains the engine, intake, exhaust, cooling, and electrical systems. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2002, 2003, and 2004 Ford Mustang distributes and protects power to critical systems like the fuel pump, ignition, PCM, cooling fan, and AC through fuses and relays.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.